Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me iPhone 15 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter into recovery mode on this smartphone. To enter into recovery mode, use this device in pair with the Windows device. You need to download and install iTunes, then update this application. iTunes you can install from the official Apple website, not from the App Store, but from the you just need to enter in Google iTunes download. You will download the version from 2020, and then afterwards your application you need to install and click update. You will see the popped up message. Cool. Then you need to connect your iPhone to the computer, and then click volume up, volume down, then press and hold power button until your device will be put into recovery mode. So press and wait. Great, that's it. We are in recovery mode on our iPhone. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.